As of 2024, an estimated 35.5 million Americans have chronic kidney disease, CKD, affecting over 1 in 7 adults in the United States. Chronic kidney disease is a significant public health issue, with a substantial number of individuals unaware of their condition. It is estimated that 9 out of 10 people with kidney disease are unaware they have it, and 1 in 3 individuals with severely reduced kidney function, not yet on dialysis, are also unaware. Additionally, around 808,000 Americans are living with kidney failure, with more than 557,000 on dialysis. The incidence and prevalence of kidney failure are expected to increase in the coming years. Your kidneys are vital organs that perform the essential function of filtering waste and excess fluids from your blood, maintaining a delicate balance of minerals and electrolytes in your body. They also regulate blood pressure, produce hormones, and support bone health. Given the kidneys' crucial role, it's essential to keep them healthy and functioning at their best. Over time, factors like poor diet, dehydration, and exposure to toxins can impact kidney health, making it important to take proactive steps to support and cleanse these vital organs naturally. Our modern lifestyles often expose us to environmental toxins and unhealthy dietary choices that can burden our kidneys. But what if you could give your kidneys a natural boost? Discover simple, effective ways to detox and cleanse your kidneys, improving their function and your overall well-being. These natural strategies not only support your kidneys but also enhance your vitality and health, helping you feel your best every day. Dive into these 7 ways to naturally detox and cleanse your kidneys, and take control of your kidney health today. Point number 1. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining healthy kidney function, as water is crucial for flushing out toxins and waste products from your body. Adequate hydration ensures that your kidneys can efficiently filter blood, maintain electrolyte balance, and regulate blood pressure. When dehydrated, your kidneys must work harder to perform these functions, which can lead to strain and potential damage over time. Drinking at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily can help prevent kidney stones, urinary tract infections, and other kidney-related issues. Additionally, proper hydration supports overall health by aiding digestion, maintaining skin health, and improving cognitive function. Always adjust your water intake based on your activity level, climate, and individual health needs. Point number 2. Limit sodium intake. Limiting sodium intake is essential for maintaining healthy kidney function. Excess sodium can cause your body to retain water, increasing blood volume and placing additional strain on your kidneys. This can lead to high blood pressure, a significant risk factor for kidney disease. Reducing your sodium intake can help prevent kidney damage by decreasing blood pressure and reducing the workload on your kidneys. To limit sodium, avoid processed and packaged foods, opt for fresh fruits and vegetables, and use herbs and spices to flavor your meals instead of salt. Aim for less than 2,300 milligrams of sodium per day, or even lower if recommended by your healthcare provider. Point number 3. Eat foods that support kidneys. Incorporating kidney-friendly foods into your diet can support kidney health and function. Foods such as apples, berries, and leafy greens are rich in antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and protect against kidney damage. Fish, particularly fatty varieties like salmon and mackerel, provide omega-3 fatty acids that can lower blood pressure and decrease the risk of kidney disease. Foods high in potassium, such as bananas and sweet potatoes, should be consumed in moderation, especially if you have kidney issues, as excessive potassium can strain the kidneys. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins can help maintain optimal kidney function and overall health. Point number 4. Drink herbal teas. Drinking herbal teas can be an effective way to support kidney health and assist in detoxification. Teas like nettle leaf, turmeric, and dandelion have natural diuretic properties that help increase urine production, aiding the kidneys in flushing out toxins and reducing the risk of kidney stones. Nettle leaf tea is rich in antioxidants and vitamins that help reduce inflammation and support overall kidney function. Turmeric tea contains curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits, which can protect the kidneys from oxidative stress. Drinking these herbal teas regularly can enhance kidney health and contribute to overall well-being. Point number 5. Take vitamins and supplements. Taking specific vitamins and supplements can support kidney health by providing essential nutrients that may be lacking in your diet. Vitamin B6, for example, plays a crucial role in breaking down and removing toxins from the body, reducing the risk of kidney stones. Vitamin D is important for maintaining bone health and may help reduce inflammation and slow the progression of kidney disease. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish oil supplements, can lower blood pressure and reduce inflammation, benefiting overall kidney function. Point number 6. Avoid sugar and artificial sweeteners. Reducing your intake of sugar and artificial sweeteners is crucial for kidney health. High sugar consumption can lead to obesity, diabetes, and hypertension, which are significant risk factors for kidney disease. Excessive sugar can also increase the risk of developing insulin resistance, leading to further kidney strain. Artificial sweeteners, although low in calories, have been associated with adverse metabolic effects and may negatively impact kidney function. By limiting sugary foods and beverages and avoiding artificial sweeteners, you can help maintain stable blood sugar levels, reduce the risk of kidney damage, and promote overall health. Point number 7. Try a 2-day kidney cleanse. A 2-day kidney cleanse can help rejuvenate your kidneys by eliminating toxins and reducing the burden on these vital organs. During the cleanse, focus on drinking plenty of water to support the kidney's natural filtration process. Consume fresh fruits and vegetables, especially those that are high in antioxidants and low in potassium, such as berries and leafy greens. Herbal teas like dandelion and nettle leaf can aid in detoxification and reduce inflammation. Avoid processed foods, caffeine, and alcohol during the cleanse to minimize stress on your kidneys. This short cleanse can help reset your system and improve overall kidney function.